It's me in this yellow bathroom again. I'm on my phone, so that's why I probably look different. But good morning. I'm going to get ready with me and my two children, Ava and Sienna. Yeah, I just wanted to show you my skincare real fast. One is face wash. I use witch hazel. With some cotton rounds. Those things. I got it in this like old case. This old case of gum. Yeah, I mean it fits perfectly in there. Moisturizer. Am I talking low? I don't know. This is the other face wash. I haven't been using this because it's been working better. So I'm using this instead. Stuff I use, brush my teeth. Sensitive because I have sensitive teeth. Mouthwash. And I got this from TJ Maxx. It's a tongue scraper. That's what it's called. So yeah, and then I use a little scrubby. And yeah, I'm about to just wash my face and brush my teeth. Did this already. Now I'm gonna do that. But before I do this, I'm gonna brush my teeth. So be back.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Till I feel the lights down.
Alrighty, I'm done everything I needed to do in here. So now I'll be going to get the kids ready, do their hair, make a video of that, and then yeah, that's it. That's gonna be that get ready with us morning. So go to the room. Good morning.
Mom.
Hello.
We can see.
Children is behind me getting dressed.
We can
Someone
see.
is getting naked. Ava, you can't. You're naked. So, yeah. I just got out the, well actually, I got out the bathroom a little minute ago. I just was in here folding clothes. I was supposed to show me folding clothes. Here's some other clothes that I didn't fold yet, but
Mommy.
that I didn't
Mommy,
fold.
here.
Oh my God, these kids.
Mommy, here.
Okay. They
Daddy.
just want to be naked behind me. I'll talk to you when they dress. Hold on. Okay, we're back. They're dressed. They're not naked behind me. Here's Ava. She picked her outfit. She had a different shirt, but she didn't want that shirt because I picked it out. She got black socks. Can't see them. Leggings. Leggings are like glittery. And then her little mermaid shirt. I gotta do her hair. That's gonna be a Facebook video, so you can just go over there and look at it. But what are you doing? Minna, got little colorful pants. This was Ava's, but they were just a little small on her, so they got to switch. So now they Minna's. And her white socks and her little what's this called?
Black.
Peach
Black.
color,
Black.
orangey shirt. Stand up. Her shirt. That's her. She just got to get her hair done. She gonna get her hair done. Cause we just pigtail. Look at her little curls. Her hair grew. Her hair in a ponytail. This thing in a double ponytail. It was too long.
Hey, look out.
But the side, they just a little scrunched up. I just had to spray it to make it go back down.
Now.
So yeah. I just gotta get ready. And that's that. Huh? I gotta do a little bit of laundry.
Mommy,
Right there. So I better go down there and do that. Because we gotta go out door dashing early. We're trying to do early since we're only doing it Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm not recording
be the one to
DoorDash.
put it back.
I'm talking. You're not recording DoorDash. I'm not. Because we're actually doing it on me and my sister's channel, so that would be linked down there. But yeah,
You is a baby.
she know. She's a mess. But yeah, I'm gonna put some lotion on. This is the deodorant I use now. I was using a spray one, but it's just I'm annoyed with the spray one. I gotta figure it out. Lotion, and I might use this spray today from, what's it called? Bath and Body Works? Bath and Body Works. Keep thinking Bath.
You is a baby. Yeah.
It's called,
Which one?
this is what it's called. So yeah. Be back when you're ready. Do laundry, and I'm gonna get ready.
Right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else base.
Guys, I got soap upstairs. I'm gonna go get that one. Okay, I'm back. And this is the one that I'm using. This Gain.
Sick, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower.
I'm gonna start that and we'll be upstairs getting ready. Peace. Whew, there's a lot going on. This one, oops, sorry, poking the eye on her iPad. I'm about to do that one here. She's on her tablet. She's gonna just keep the same ponytail and just fix it up. Yeah, so start her hair. Alrighty, I am done. This is the end of this get ready with me. My hair, I took my hair out. Let me try to do it this way. I took my hair out. Oh, well, I took the bonnet off. And I'm dressed with these. I forgot what these pants are called. And then there's Minna outfit. Say hey, Minna. With her hair. Yeah, hey.
Hey.
That's her little outfit. There's Ava. Her pigtail. Put your head down. And at the back. Just did a video that's going on Facebook and TikTok. So go look. Hey, Ava, stand up. There's her mermaid shirt. I think I already showed this. So yeah, they just did their hair. They didn't take my bonnet off and got dressed. So I just need to put on. I'm trying to balance it. This necklace. Stay up there.
Mommy.
I'll show you what I'm balancing it on. And then we change spray to this one because this is what Ava wanted. So yeah, she wants spray. Now put the necklace on and done. This is what I'm balancing it on. This bottle right here. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. If you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment on the videos you want. And yeah, that's it. Peace out. See you in the next video.